Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm actually super excited to share with you a little bit more about Roborock's brand new robot vacuum. It's called the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra and it just hit the Malaysian market. Now what's so exciting about this brand new robot vacuum is the fact that not only is it an all-in-one system that does everything on its own, but Roborock is actually introducing a lot of cool new features, some of them which you haven't seen on a previous Roborock robot vacuum. So I've actually had the chance to test it out for close to 2 weeks now in my small-ish apartment. I was able to test out its navigation, its obstacle avoidance and all that. In today's video, we're going to talk a bit about those brand new features. But before we go into that, let's first take a look at the setup. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra comes with two core components, and that's basically the dock itself and a robot vacuum. Now the Roborock Ultra's role here is to give you a completely hands-free experience. So what it does is that it will clean and dry the robot vacuum's mopping pads using hot water and warm air. It also helps to empty dust and dirt from the robot and fill it with clean water whenever it's needed. Now if you look further on the inside, you also see an auto detergent dispenser where a certain amount of detergent will be mixed with clean water for even better cleaning. So that is basically the setup on the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. I think right now, let's shift gears and move on to the more important part of today's story, and that's actually all about the cleaning process. How does it really feel like to have the robot cleaning my living space? The biggest update to the S8 MaxV Ultra is the Flexi Arm design side brush that you'll be able to find beneath the robot vacuum. Now this side brush can move in and out whenever the robot detects corners or tight spaces, and the extended brush actually helps the robot to sweep up dirt from these spaces, which I found very useful. Moving on, when it comes to vacuuming over more common spaces, what I noticed about the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is that it's actually able to vacuum up very effectively and efficiently, just like how you would expect on other Roborock devices. Alright, so again, if you take a look at the bottom of the robot, you see the familiar dual roller riser brush, which is designed to pick up hair better than a single roller brush. The purpose of this is actually to reduce the amount of hair tangles, which can be very annoying and difficult to clean on other devices. Also, in case you're wondering about the suction power, the S8 MaxV Ultra features a super powerful 10,000 PA suction power that allows it to vacuum up all the dirt from your floors, but more importantly, the hidden dirt, dust, and hair stuck in your carpets. Now speaking about carpets, this time around, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is actually capable of lifting both its brush as well as its mop, really high up from the ground. It's up to 20mm above ground. During mopping, the brush itself is lifted, whereas during vacuuming, especially over carpets, the mop is lifted to make sure it does not touch your carpet and not make it wet. With that said, let's move over to the mopping aspect of the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. How does it perform in terms of its mopping experience? Now it's got this large mopping pad, and this is actually a part of their Vibrarise mopping system. The mopping module itself vibrates about 4,000 times per minute for ultra high speed scrubbing, and it can basically handle wet messes as well as dried stains very easily. Besides that, you also notice a cute circular shaped mop on the side that is slightly extended to help the robot mop tight corners or alongside your walls. Nice! Once the mopping is done, the robot will then go back to the dock for that 60 degrees hot water mop washing, which can actually help to remove all those oil and grease to make sure that your mopping pads are always clean. Now in case you want to customize your own cleaning preference, you can actually do so in detail in the Roborock app, which you can download from both the Play Store as well as the Apple Store. Now it's pretty well known that Roborock makes one of the best and easy to use apps out there. In here, you can find a ton of details on your robot. Once the robot has done the room mapping and all that, which it does so very accurately, you can then use the app to program a specific routine cleaning schedule where you can choose stuff like the suction power, how wet you want the mop to be and all that. You can even see all the different kinds of furniture or obstacles that the robot has detected via AI, such as your sofa, your cables, your mirror, and much more. With Roborock's precise LiDAR navigation and 3D obstacle recognition, it's now even better with navigating and cleaning your living space without bumping into obstacles. Better yet, the app itself now comes with a useful widget that you can place on your home screen, so you can start cleaning whenever you like with just a single tap. Now if you don't want to use the app, you can also use your voice control to call the robot and ask it to start cleaning. Hey Rocky.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
Finally, last but not least, if you are a pet owner, Roborock also has a few cool tricks up its sleeves for you, such as pet recognition, video calling your pets, or even taking photos of your pets. And one very interesting one is actually the robot itself can also search for your pet. So if you're overseas and you just want to find out what your pet is doing, you can use the Roborock vacuum itself to find where your pet is. Alright, so at the end of the day, my experience with the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra was actually very positive. The latest model from Roborock comes with all the new features and tricks that the company has to offer, paired with the excellent cleaning and mopping experience that Roborock is known to deliver. I particularly like the presence of the extended side brush and the extended round mini mopping pad, as it really allows the robot vacuum to cover challenging spaces. Now you throw in the wonderful app experience and this all adds up to a really solid challenger from Roborock in the robot vacuum space. Anyways, if you are currently in the market looking for a brand new robot vacuum, an all-in-one system that can take care of your house cleanliness as well as the robot itself, do check out the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. I'll put in a link down below where you can find out the official website and all that, links to purchase. Of course, if you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment down below as well. Thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and till the next one, I hope to see you there. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.